Welcome to Technologias. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can change the region of your Valorant account. The first thing we are going to do is go to search Riot Games, and we are going to press directly in Riot Games house, and we are going to slide and we see Valorant. Okay, we will go select the Valorant. We will see that again it will be go to the bottom. The bottom is support again. Once here it take us long in, but we also have here it says change region. Okay, is the third option, and we see articles. So we have to going to change residence of your Valorant account. We are going to select to where it's playing. Here, go to need more help, contact us, and submit a ticket. We select type of solicited. Okay, we see here, and select administration of the account. Okay, PC, change residence. And you press the first option, dislikes. Okay, if you don't need the consult, okay, press the I need help for change my region residence. We see this form, and you enter your dates, and you receive the email. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel